5 months, just 5 months, until Prelims 2025. The clock is ticking, the syllabus is mounting, and the pressure, well, that is immense. We know that you are putting all of your hard work in, but is that enough? 99% of the aspirants are unable to make it, not just because of lack of effort, but because of the lack of direction. Yes, that is true. We understand this, and that is why Vajiram and Ravi is coming up with StepUp Mentorship Express Batch for UPSC Prelims 2025. Under this, you will be provided the chance for one-to-one mentorship with dedicated mentors. You will also get detailed study plans with goal settings and accountability, thematic PYQ analysis, mentor-led quizzes, and chance for rigorous practice with 60 targeted tests from CAM test series. Along with that, you will also get classes from Smart Current Affairs program, and you will have a performance dashboard to keep check on your progress. With that, you will also get an invaluable opportunity to learn directly from the successful candidates. So what are you waiting for? Join StepUp Mentorship Express Batch 2025 and let's conquer this UPSC dream together.